Steph is taking the things out. Say something to the camera, Steph.
Hey, Stephanie. That's Stephanie holding the camera.
No, it's just John Heavy holding the camera. Stephanie operating him. Stephanie the drama queen. Pull it out, Steph.
Hell, it's loose. Look at this.
It's got a net on the inside of it.
Does it?
Yeah. I saw it spinning. See it right there. Be careful now.
Shit, man.
Get you a crescent wrench.
Oh, this one have one out.
This is John Heavy. That's Stephanie.
That's Stephanie.
Stephanie is a drama queen. That's why we call him Stephanie.
That's Stephanie Jr.
I ain't no drama queen. No drama.
Well, tell Heavy he needs a new toolbox.
This is Heavy right here.
His new toolbox.
Yeah, that toolbox has been gone.
That toolbox is going to hell.
Just like Aunt Betty Ring says, it's been dead. Yeah, we're taking this. We gotta take this pinion out to get that ring gear off of it. Put that back together with it so it won't get lost. You know what I'm saying? You reckon it got stripped and they did that?
Where the hell my damn nut go?
It's down in there. It fell back in the back there. Find it?
No.
You didn't follow on the back? Hurry up, Steph.
Can't reach it.
Yes, you can.
No, I can't. There we go.
All right.
It's like sticking your hand in some wet pussy.
No, stop saying that. Children be watching this stuff.
Excuse me, children. Never say them bad words. You'll go to hell for that shit.
Stick it in that bucket, Steph. All right. All right, we're signing off John Heavy and Steph.